Most agencies, brokers, and MGAs think submission problems start inside their agency management system, but the real challenge actually happens before the AMS. Customer onboarding and submission intake are often manual, repetitive, and frustrating for both agencies and customers. For agencies, brokers, and MGAs, new business requests arrive through multiple channels: email, phone calls, and web forms. Without structured intake, these requests quickly become difficult to manage. Commercial insurance submissions involve multiple carrier questionnaires, accord forms, and repeated customer data capture. This slows down submissions and creates operational delays. Instead of scattered requests across inboxes and documents, all submissions can be consolidated into one centralized intake workflow where teams can review and triage requests. Submission Intake Engine sits between your customers and your agency management system, capturing structured submission data before it reaches your AMS. iNube Submission Intake Engine simplifies submission intake through one intelligent digital questionnaire. Instead of managing multiple carrier forms, agencies, brokers, and MGAs capture submission information through one dynamically optimized questionnaire. A Gen AI engine analyzes carrier questionnaires and accord forms, automatically structuring the intake to capture the right submission information. Customers can digitally authorize retrieval of loss run reports during the submission process, allowing agencies, brokers, and MGAs to request these documents automatically and attach them to the submission package. When new carriers or submission forms are introduced, the questionnaire adapts automatically, keeping agencies ready for changing submission requirements. The platform analyzes risk descriptions, zip codes, and exposure details to intelligently suggest class codes during submission preparation. Brokers can interact with an embedded AI assistant to validate class codes and refine risk classifications before sending submissions. Information captured once is converted into clean, structured submissions. Accord forms are automatically generated and ready for submission. Structured submission data flows directly into your agency management system while preserving existing workflows. What once required hours of manual coordination across forms, emails, and documents can now happen in a fraction of the time. Customers can complete submissions through a single digital form without repetitive paperwork or handwritten documents. By capturing the right information from the start, teams spend less time chasing details and more time moving opportunities forward. Submission Intake Engine helps agencies, brokers, and MGAs scale their business without scaling operational complexity, delivering faster submissions, better customer experiences, and more efficient teams.